Hi, I'm Jonathan Love, the founder of ClaimSmart, a mobile and desktop application that gives users the tools to settle their own personal injury claims. Insurance claims in the United States total over $283 billion per year. As an attorney, I've handled hundreds, if not thousands, of automobile accident claims. My clients have paid me and other attorneys thousands of dollars for the 1/3 of the gross settlement in their auto injury claim. The user can save that 1/3 fee by using ClaimSmart's easy-to-use case management tools. From beginning to the end of the claim, ClaimSmart provides tools for the user to manage the insurance claims process by gathering evidence, initiating the claim, documenting the claim, settling the claim, and dispersing the proceeds, all for a flat fee. I know that this works because I've given clients the same tools to settle their cases for a flat fee when it was apparent that had I stayed in the case, I would have made more money than my clients. And then if at any time the user wants to hire an attorney, they can just transfer their electronically stored files to the attorney of their choice or to the attorneys who pay us a priority referral. I intend for ClaimSmart to be one of Y Combinator's success stories by empowering users with information and tools to maximize their auto injury claims for a flat fee, and eventually, perhaps other types of insurance claims will be settled using ClaimSmart.